Kids Discovery Podcast. I'm Bevan.
And I'm Bennett.
And we got a great episode for you today. Bulldozers. We love bulldozers, don't we, Benny?
Yeah.
What do you like about bulldozers so much?
Oh, I know what's there. They have a giant blade. It's made of metal.
Yeah, steel.
Also, bulldozers in the back, their rippers can break dirt. And did you know that ours doesn't even have a ripper?
Nope. Because you can put a couple different attachments on the back of a dozer. They got a ripper for ripping really tough ground before they push it around.
Yeah.
You know what else they can have? A winch.
A winch?
Yeah, they can have a winch back there with a cable on it so you can pull really heavy stuff.
Did you know that bulldozers are so tough they can tow a tank?
Yeah, that's cool.
The bulldozers look like a big tank. That's the one that, with a big tank that pushes dirt and stuff?
Yeah, a tank, tracks, and a big wide blade on the front for pushing dirt. They're usually yellow.
What do you think when the first bulldozer started?
Like, when was the first bulldozer made? I would say that it was created in 1920s.
Right!
Right!
1920s!
Nice.
It was used for clearing land.
Yes, that's the first use, and it's still used for that today. Bulldozers can come in all sizes. There's little tiny ones, or they come in gigantic ones that have up to 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah.
Just like the monster trucks.
Yeah.
They have the same amount of horsepower.
If you are curious about monster trucks, go back and listen to the episode.
Episode 6. What else can you name that bulldozers are used for?
Pushing piles of trash around lurking in a dump.
Yeah, that is a really good
Or
use for it.
landfill.
Yeah.
Do you think they would be good at clearing dirt in the construction site?
Yes. They're also really good at mining,
Yeah.
using for pushing dirt around, getting to the whatever resource you want to get to.
They're used lots in road building.
Some dozers are covered in armor for the military, and they use them to go push down blockades and stuff from the enemy.
What is enemy? What is that?
The enemy is the people that you're fighting against. And they even use bulldozers in firefighting. They'll make the blade super big and stick out the side, and then firefighters can follow behind the blade with water and get really close to a fire and then spray it with water. Or else it'd be way too hot for really big fires.
You probably would think they don't have any wheels, but true story, some of them can have wheels.
Yeah, they can have wheels or they can have tracks.
Most bulldozers have tracks.
Most bulldozers
It
have
gives
tracks.
them plenty of traction.
Quiz time. What fuel do bulldozers use to power themselves?
That's a good one. I think I might even need a hint.
Okay. It's something that gets used in big trucks.
Diesel!
Yes! Woo! You got it right. It's diesel. Almost all bulldozers use diesel for fuel, except now they're starting to make electric bulldozers. That's cool.
Yeah.
Could you imagine a bulldozer that's barely making any sound when it's driving around? That'd be cool.
Well, thanks for everybody to tuning in for our podcast. We love each and every one of you.
Yeah, we sure do. And remember to write us an email at kidsdiscoverypodcast@gmail.com.
Yeah.
We love to hear from you.
Yeah, goodbye. See you for episode 9.
Bye-bye.